Hi, welcome to Mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for x in x raised to the power 2 minus x raised to the power 3 equals 12. So let's see solution. We have x squared minus x cubed equals 12. So let's just make this to be in form of x squared minus x raised to the power 3 minus 12 equals 0. So let's arrange according to their increasing power. So we have minus x raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 minus 12 equals 0. So from here, let's cancel this minus by multiplying throughout by minus 1. Multiply throughout by minus 1, and if you do, we have x raised to the power 3 minus x raised to the power 2 plus 12 equals 0, right? So now we have x raised to the power 3 minus x squared plus we can express 12 as the sum of 4 and 8 equals 0. So we have x cubed minus x squared plus 4 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power 2 and 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power 3 equals 0. Right. So now we have x raised to the power 3 minus x raised to the power 2. Then we have plus 2 raised to the power 2 plus 2 raised to the power 3 equals 0. So let's put the like term together. The one that has the power of 3, let's put them together. So we have x raised to the power 3 plus we have 2 raised to the power 3 minus x squared plus 2 squared equals 0. So we have x raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power 3 minus we have x squared minus 2 squared equals 0. So from here, let's remember the identity. A raised to the power 3 plus b raised to the power 3 equals a plus b, then a squared multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. Also, difference of 2 squared, a squared minus b squared equals a plus b and a minus b. So let's apply this to this. So we have x plus 2, then x squared minus 2x plus 4, right? Then also for this we have minus x plus 2 x minus 2 equals 0, right? So you observe that we have x plus 2 in common, so let's factorize x plus 2 out. We have x plus 2. So what will be left here, we have x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then we have, what is left here, we have minus x, minus times plus, we have plus 2, right, equals 0. So what this implies is that this equals 0 and this equals 0. So we have x plus 2. Also here we have x squared minus 2x minus x will give us minus 3x. We have 4 plus 2, so that will give us 6, so equals 0. So that means that we have x plus 2 equals 0, or x squared minus 3x plus 6 equals 0. So we have x equals minus 2. That's the first solution. Or here you observe that this is a quadratic equation. And to solve that, so we have to use quadratic. Let's use quadratic formulas. So we have a, the coefficient of x squared, to be 1, B, coefficient of x to be minus 3, and C, which are constants, to be 6. We have our quadratic formula to be x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we want to substitute this value into this formula. So we have x equals minus 3, right, plus or minus square root of b, that is minus 3 squared, minus 4ac, so divided by 2 times 1. So we have x equals minus times minus 3 will give us 3, plus or minus square root of minus 3 square will give us 9. Then we have minus 4 times 1, that is minus 4, times 6, that is minus 24. Minus 24 divided by 2. So we have x to be 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 24 will give us minus 15 divided by 2. So here we have x to be equals 3 plus or minus. Here we can express this as square root of 15 times minus 1 divided by 2. So we have x equals 3 plus or minus. Here we have square root of 15 times square root of minus 1 divided by 2. Then we have x equals 3 plus or minus square root of 15. Here you have to recollect that I equal to square root of minus 1, right? So we have this to be times I divided by 2. So then we have this 3 plus square root of 15 I divided by 2. Therefore, for this quadratic equation, we have x to be 3 plus square root of 15 I divided by 2, or 3 minus square root of 15 I divided by 2. But don't forget that we've already gotten one solution to be x equals minus 2. So we have x1 to be equals minus 2, x2 equals 3 plus square root of 15 I divided by 2, and x3 equals 3 minus square root of 15 I divided by 2. So this is our answer. Thank you for watching, my great fans. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do you know you can now send super to support this channel? It helps me to create more content you love. I say if it's super, thanks, and I will make sure to give you a shout out in my next video. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can you like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel and to stay updated on my next video. Bye.